Alright, what's up, Rideshare Hub? So, Dylan has been eating my food non-stop. I don't know why. I literally have nothing here. Like, there's nothing there, nothing in here, nothing over there. I mean, bread, I guess. Nothing over here. I literally have no food. So, I'm gonna go see what's up. Like, I don't get what... Yeah, he's eating all my stuff. That was all mine. I literally bought that like 2 days ago. Yo, Dylan, what are you doing, dude? You're eating all my stuff. What are you... Dylan? Hello?
What?
What are you doing?
Oh, I was watching TV.
What, oh my god, is that your own video again?
It's quality entertainment. What are you talking about?
What is that? What is
This
that?
is one of the best
What
videos.
is this?
You know this video has over
What is that?
100,000 views on YouTube?
What is that in your freaking
Make sure to
hand?
sign up if you want to be a driver.
Link in bio. Alright, what do you what do you freaking have? What do you have in your what is that? What are you eating all my stuff again, dude?
Oh, it's just a midnight snack.
How many boxes do you have in there?
I have like 1.5.
What, dude? I just bought that.
It's a midnight snack.
Dude, oh my god. This guy's ridiculous.
I need
He
to
takes
eat-
my food. Stop taking my food, dude.
I went to the gym last week. Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's not healthy.
Yeah, it's like energy for my workout.
Yeah, I have to work out as well, dude. Come on, can we go to the store, I guess, again? Or what? Like, what's the plan?
Fine, I guess I'll call an Uber.
Just stop eating my stuff and we won't have to deal with this. Or are you gonna order the Uber right now?
Yeah, I don't know. What phone should I order it on?
What do you mean?
Well, I got two phones. One for the crib, one for the club.
I guess for the crib.
For the crib. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Uber. Can I get a car for the groceries? Oh, I have to do it through the app. Okay. No, yeah, just send the Uber Black. The most expensive one. Yeah. What? Uber Pool. Uber Pool. Is that a joke? You think I would order Uber Pool? I'm Dylan. Yeah, founder of Rideshare Hub. Yeah, my most viewed video has over 100K. Yeah, 40 secrets most Lyft drivers don't know. Yeah, maybe if you guys brought me more Uber Blacks, I would make 40 secrets most Uber drivers don't know. Oh, you're gonna pay me $10,000 to do that one too? Make it 20 and it's a deal. Okay. Alright guys, next video is 40 secrets most Uber drivers don't know. 2 minutes? Alright, I'm on my way.
Yo, you were just joking about like the whole like Uber thing to Trader Joe's, right?
What do you mean?
Like we're not actually gonna take an Uber to freaking Trader Joe's.
Why would we not take an Uber?
Cause we can just walk there. It's like really close by.
You wanna walk?
Yeah.
Why would we walk?
Cause it's really close by. I just said
These
that.
legs? I need to protect these legs at all cost.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna walk.
No, I'm not. Okay, you can walk by yourself. I'm not gonna walk.
Wait, why don't you want to walk though?
Because walking burns calories, and I don't like cardio.
Okay, all right, fine. Let's take an Uber, I guess.
All right, I guess I'll just order an Uber Black.
Uber Black, dude. That's gonna be like 20 bucks.
No, it's only 14.
14?
Yeah,
dude.
It's only $14.
Oh my god, whatever. I'm not paying for that, by the way.
Oh, it's 25.
Dude, that's gonna be more than my groceries. What?
It's okay. I have AdSense. Yeah, every time like somebody watch my video, even if they hate the video and leave hate comments, yeah, I still get paid. So
no,
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
actually.
all the hate comments. It's actually helps my video a lot. So I'll use that money for the Uber Black.
All right. Actually, yeah. Let's do it.
All right. As you can see here, confirm. All right. I'm just gonna order it really quickly. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it?
Do it.
All right, guys, all jokes aside, I am ordering an Uber Black. I know Uber Quiet Mode came out I think last week, and I'm gonna order an Uber Black. We're going to the grocery store, and I'm gonna set it on Uber Quiet Mode. So the driver's gonna like not talk to us. And I just wanna test it out. And I'm gonna actually try to talk to the driver. We're not gonna tell him we're filming or anything. And let's see like what he is. Like, this is basically a review of Uber Quiet Mode, I guess. So, all right, as you can see here, this is from the passenger perspective. Is it focused? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it says you can actually have a preference for the temperature, but conversation, yeah, you can do no preference, quiet, or chat. So we're gonna put it on quiet. Temperature of the car, what do you want? Warm, hot, cool, or cold?
Warm.
You wanted a warm? Let's do a warm car or hot. Should we do hot?
Like a 90 degrees. No,
Wait.
just do cold. Just do cold.
Cold or what?
Cool,
Wait,
cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Wait, I kind of want to try hot just to try it out.
It's already. All right.
Let's just try it.
Yes.
I mean, who cares? We can tell them. And then bags? No bags.
Yeah.
Confirm?
Yeah.
We're getting a hot and quiet car.
That's the ideal car, okay? Hot and quiet.
Guys, now you know if you're an Uber driver, your passengers couldn't request you to not talk and for you to crank the heat up. All right, guys, so I had to change a little bit, just so you guys know you're not freaked out. If you want to get the Rideshare Hub merch, link in bio. But seriously, guys, it's on sale. $16. It's a steal. Let's go. Shh. Don't talk, guys. Shh. Kevin, be quiet. Okay.
Loudest gate ever.
Oh, he's all the way down there. What? Okay, guys. So, I know a lot of drivers that always ask me, why are passengers so late? Well, it's because some drivers, we have to go so far, so it's gonna take us 10 minutes to get there.
This is gonna be a struggle. Let's get there now. Okay. Just gonna go back. That's okay.
You guys want the AC?
Yeah, whatever's fine.
Okay, how you guys doing?
Pretty good.
You guys student at UC?
We just
graduated.
Used to be. So what do you think about this whole Uber quiet mode thing? Can you see that we requested it? Or no?
About this one? It's been quiet today. Why is that?
No, the on Uber Black. Like you can set the setting for quiet mode. You don't know that?
Oh, is that what you guys did?
Yeah.
Me or you guys?
No, we did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't even know about that one. See, I don't work much, so I don't follow up.
We were doing it as kind of a joke, but you started talking anyways.
Oops.
No. It's
We're just like testing it.
no. I was just like, I just thought it would be funny.
They didn't even tell me here.
And then we set the heat setting to like really hot.
Really hot, yeah. Doesn't say it.
Nothing. Look, it's not giving me any information. It's only giving me your name.
Yeah, basically Uber said that now that clients can request the driver to be quiet.
Yeah.
So I just thought it would be funny.
With that one, I think it's okay. You know, like sometime maybe you're, especially for those people who always
on business.
on
I mean,
computer.
sometimes I do get into cars and it's like I need to make some calls or something.
Because like with our private job, most people that we pick up, they're businessmen or businesswomen, and once they hop in, they're always on the computer or a conference meeting, or they're always just talking, and we don't say much, just greet them and that's it.
I mean, it's pretty nice.
But with Uber, we kind of social.
Yeah.
Maybe you have to update the app.
Maybe.
I don't know.
I'll take a look at
Yeah, I have no clue. We were just gonna, if the driver was quiet, we were just gonna like talk to him and see what happens. But you just started talking right away, so.
Yeah. So what about if you do the quiet mode and then you guys kept on talking to the driver? Still?
I mean,
right?
No
Can't
response.
Alright guys, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Alright guys, so we just got to Trader Joe's. Do we have creamer? Shh.
Yo, Kevin. So, shh, be quiet, dude. It's quiet mode. Be quiet. Yo, are you lactose intolerant? Because I would like to intoler your lactate. Your pickup line 101.
I don't know if that works.
Yo, I got a good pickup line for you. Do you work at a cafe? Because I like you a latte. Alright everyone, so we just got out of the Uber quiet mode, guys. Literally is so sick. Uber quiet mode. I literally gave the guy 6 stars. I hacked Uber, I hacked it, and I gave him not 5, but 6 stars. What do you think?
Let's cut to the clip right now.
Alright guys, thank you everyone for watching. Well, Kevin, what do you think about Uber quiet mode?
It's
okay, literally a legit review. Our driver literally had no idea that
we didn't know it existed.
Like halfway through, I was like, "So, what do you think about Uber quiet mode?" And he's like, "Yeah, it has been pretty quiet today." And I was like, "Yeah," he didn't even know that I requested. So, I don't know. I think I'm literally the first YouTuber that's made a review of Uber quiet mode. So, I know sometimes I say this is the best rideshare channel on the internet.
Facts.
Some people are like, no, I don't know, it's not the best. Guys, first person to do Uber quiet mode review. I think that's reason number probably 69 at this point.
69.
Because yesterday we were at 68, now we're at 69 reasons why we're the #1 YouTube channel, Rideshare Hub
on the planet.
Cop your merch, get your merch, guys. Anyways, but legit, Kev, I mean, did you knew about Uber quiet mode, right? Or no?
Yeah, obviously.
We try to turn the heat up all the way, and first thing we got in, he
goes, "Oh, do you want me to turn on the AC for you?"
And we're like, dude, I don't want to talk to you. Just do it through the app. No, I'm just kidding. We did it as a joke. We were gonna talk to him anyway and just like see what he thought. But
yeah.
Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like this video. Let's try to get this video to 10,000 likes. And what do you think? 10,000? 15?
15 maybe.
20K? Alright, 20,000 likes and Kevin becomes an Uber driver. Guys, get Agreed? Say yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, guys, 20,000 likes and Kevin's gonna become an Uber driver. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to, again, 20,000 likes. Drop a comment down below. What do you think of Uber quiet mode?
Leave us your thoughts.
Leave us your thoughts and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another banger on Uber and Lyft videos. We will talk to you all shortly. Have an amazing afternoon, /morning, /night, /evening, whenever you're watching this video. We'll talk to you all soon.
Peace.